Hello, Com601. So the article that I read looks at the relationship between fan identification and the effectiveness of sponsorship. It starts out talking about how sponsorship used to be more of a philanthropic effort by the sponsor, and it's kind of morphed into more of a mutually beneficial business endeavor where both the sponsor and the team expect to get positive outcomes from the sponsorship. So because of this change, it's important to look at the relationship between fan identification and its effect on sponsorship, and the people that wrote this journal article did that by conducting a study that was based on results from a survey that was handed out during tailgating at an NCAA Division I football game. And the results came back and they revealed that increased fan identification has several positive results for sponsors, which include increased sponsor recognition, more positive attitude towards the sponsor, increased patronage of the sponsor by the fans, and satisfaction with the sponsors. The study defined fan identification and said that it can be predicted by perceived prestige of the school or team, involvement with the domain of football, and associations with the school or team, which can include the sponsor. So that kind of brings in the whole mutual beneficial thing. The results of the study suggest that sponsorship is an effective promotional tool, but it also warns that not all consumers are going to be affected by the sponsorship the same way. It really all depends on how strongly the fans identify with the team. And then the article also goes on to explain how studying these results can be beneficial for sponsoring firms and teams, because you can look at, the teams can look at how to make their fans identify with them stronger so that they can receive better sponsors. And then the sponsoring firms can benefit by this, can benefit from this by looking at how strong a team's fan identification is and judging how beneficial their sponsoring that team would be. So that's my article, and I'm out.